A lot of artists have a particular type of ritual or ceremony that they perform, even if they're unaware of it, before their painting practice or their printmaking or their whatever it is that their art practice involves. It might be they make a cup of tea and sit down and have a look around, have a think. They might roll a cigarette, although I don't know many artists that do that anymore. Or it might be to clean the studio and really get the space how you like it. I like doing that. I like to have a clear kind of start to my practice. What I'm doing here is just painting up some little 10 by 10 centimetre canvas boards with some paint that I've had in my shipping container for a very long time. So I'm in ISO, self-isolation at the moment, and I'm using up all of my paints that I've carried around the countryside with me for over 10 years. Look, some of these paints could even be 20 years old. I'm surprised that these acrylics, Atelier, that they still work. Some of them are a bit dried up. A lot of them have separated, but I'm still using them anyway. And they don't smell, so that's pretty good. Always a bonus. So part of my ritual, if I haven't painted or been creative for a really long time because my full-time teaching job has gotten in the way, or caring for my dad, or the massive garden that I've got, there's always lots to do. If I haven't painted for a while, this blending of the paint is something I absolutely love to do. I love that visual impression that it makes on my eyes and my brain. It relaxes me. It's very therapeutic to paint in colour and to blend and bring the colours together. I like smoothing out the paint. I like the feel of the texture of the paint as it glides across the surface. Yeah, it's a really lovely way. So this is one of my rituals, apart from cleaning my studio and claiming my space. Again, always having to reclaim my space. This is a lovely way for me to get myself into that creative thinking headspace that an artist needs before they get on to doing the real painting or the designing. What's your ritual if you're an artist?